In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule TikTok screen time breaks on your iPhone device. It works on Android as well, and it's quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and there hit at your profile icon. Next, hit at menu icon and select settings and privacy. Now there, scroll down for a bit and get into digital well-being. And now here hit add screen time breaks. Now there you can schedule a break. You can set it to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or even you can hit on custom time and select any time that you want. You can start with 5 minutes, and when you hit done, your screen time, as you see, is now set. So after 5 minutes of watching TikTok videos, you will get a reminder about if you wish take some break. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.